Hey, how's it going, Coyote? This is Joe. I called earlier this morning. I was told to send you a video. So here we are. So I want to show you 3 things you can do today to boost your online presence, get you higher ranking on Google, and then in return, get those leads you're missing out on, right? So you can start building up that revenue. Right? That's what we're here for, right? Awesome. So first things first, Google loves content, right? Content is king when it comes to Google. Alright, so they want to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your home page alone, right? So that's a lot. Now, obviously, very few people are going to read 2,000 words, but Google will, and they will know that you are the subject matter expert compared to somebody that only has 800 words. Alright, that makes sense? So when we scroll, right, we can see how much words you have on your home page. Okay, and you don't have a whole lot. So I definitely recommend boosting that up to the 1,500 word goal Google likes to see. Okay, Google also loves big built out websites. Okay, so the more pages you have on your website, the better, right? So that means services, right? So each of your services needs to have its own page, right? About us, contact us, gallery, right? As many pages as you can put on your website, the better, right? And then as far as your service pages, Google still loves content, so they want to see between 500 and 700 words on your service pages. Okay. Another thing is, I definitely recommend putting in keywords on your website. Okay, keywords are what people are searching for in this area. So once you start ranking for those keywords, obviously you're going to start bringing in a lot of leads that way as well. Okay, so definitely recommend doing that. This is your competitor's website. Okay, so first thing I notice, he has a big built-out website like Google likes, right? Each of his services has their own page. Okay, he has a gallery, a blog, about us, contact, right? His website is big. So to beat him in this area, you're going to want to count how many pages he has, and then add that many pages to your website. All right. And as far as how much content he has on his back pages, he's doing anywhere from 500 to 600 words. So to beat him in this area, I recommend doing that 600 to 700 word goal Google likes to see. Okay. And then as far as on his homepage, he's only doing about 800 words. Okay, so you can definitely beat him on his homepage by throwing in that 1,500 word goal Google likes to see, right? We're trying to beat our competition in every area. So that's what I recommend doing for you, okay? And then don't forget about those keywords, right? Next, I want to talk to you today about the map pack, right? Everybody knows what the map pack is. There's only 3 spots available in the map pack, so it's super important to rank in the map pack, right? Once you start ranking here, you're obviously going to start getting a lot of leads, a lot of calls coming in, right? That's what we want. A lot of calls. So definitely recommend getting here. How do you get here? You need a lot of high star reviews. Okay. Another couple other things. Good pictures, right? A good business description with keywords, right? And then lastly, but super important, is citations, right? Citations are your business name, address, phone number on different websites, right? So that's like Facebook, Yelp, white pages, bbb.org. Okay, there's hundreds of them out there up for grabs. Okay, so I definitely recommend going and getting those, building your Google My Business, so you can rank it in the top 3, right? That'd be awesome. Moving on to backlinks. Okay, backlinks are super important. This is your competition's information. Okay, so backlinks are super important. This is what helps you rank to the top of Google. If you have good quality backlinks, this is what's going to help you rank there a lot faster, right? Backlinks are like a popularity contest, right? The more websites you have pointing back to you through backlinks, Google's going to think you're a credible source, so they're going to push you to the top, right? That's awesome. So as you can see, your competition has 1.26 thousand websites pushing 4.6 thousand backlinks to them, right? So that's a lot of credibility, right? Google's looking at that and they're pushing them straight to the top, right? definitely beatable, right? Quality over quantity, right? He has a lot of, backlinks and websites, but if you go out there and get good quality backlinks, you don't need this much, okay? You just need good, credible sources, okay? So definitely beatable. You can see how many keywords he's ranking for, right? Keywords are what people are searching for in your area, right? So definitely recommend putting those on your website so you can start ranking for them, right? This guy's ranking for 2.1 thousand keywords, right? That's awesome, okay? Because he has, an awesome website, because he has good keywords, and because he has credible backlinks, he's bringing in 336 leads to his website per month, right? That's awesome. What would that do for your business, right? Definitely something to think about. Definitely something to take advantage of, right? You could easily, outrank this guy. Okay, so definitely something to take advantage of. That's all I really wanted to show you was those 3 things. I hope you liked the video. I hope you found it informative. Go ahead and reach back out to me if you have any questions about implementing these things into your website. You can call or text me at 515-468-3039. I'll call you tomorrow to make sure you have gotten the video. And we love feedback, so if you could give us some feedback, that'd be awesome. So thanks for watching, Coyote, and have a great day.